Hello everybody, this is Jeremy from Nisswa Marine. This is Wednesday, April 15th, and we have another What's on Tap at Nisswa Marine. We are live on site with Bradow Dock Service, installing docks and lifts, and we are bearing a 24 degrees here. And this customer is also going to get a brand new SHORESTATION lift installed. As you can see, there's a lift out there getting ready to be set, and they're going to get the docks put in here anytime. So a little live footage here on Bass Lake on the Gull Lake chain with Bradow Dock Service and Nisswa Marine. We'll be coming right back at you once we get the boat lift installed with the fork barge. Stay tuned.
All right, we're back with you here. We got the crew, they got the dock almost put out, and we got the fork barge coming in for this new hydraulic lift. It's a SHORESTATION 4120 hydraulic 4,000 pounder, and we're gonna have one lucky boat owner that's gonna be able to put his boat on his lift very soon. Not sure I would do it today in the 18-degree weather, but we'll get there. As you can see, it's pretty awesome stuff. He's got two really long steel forks that tip down, pick up the lift. Pretty wild the way it works. There we go, we got her set next to the dock. Gonna ease her off and get her level. There she goes. It's almost perfect right there. Got the full dock out, we got the new hydraulic lift going in, and now looks like we got another hydraulic lift right here gonna be set down. What do you think? She level? Looking good. We got a 18-foot robalo that's gonna be going in here. We'll be fishing in no time.
All right, we're just finishing up here over on Bass Lake. I want to thank the Bradow Dock Service crew for just really bearing these cold temperatures. We're sitting at about 18 to 20 degrees and about a 10-mile-an-hour wind, so these guys are really toughing it out. They're ready to get you taken care of here on the Gull Lake chain this season. We still have ice out on Main Gull. They've been doing the smaller lakes here for the last couple of days this week, and they'll keep rolling through. So we'll be doing some more What's on Tap at Nisswa Marine. We'll try to give you some more dock and lift installs as it gets a little warmer. We don't have to be bundled up so much. So thanks for watching, and thanks to Bradow Dock Service as well.